CVMC, EC, NMMC, triple E, Unit 4, Vector Differentiation. Lesson 14. Problem 37. A fluid motion is given by V bar is equal to y plus z I bar plus z plus x j bar plus x plus y k bar. A bit. Is this motion irrotational? Question mark. If so, find the velocity potential. B bit. Is this motion possible for an incompressible fluid? Incompressible fluid. Solution. Given V bar is equal to y plus z I bar plus z plus x j bar plus x plus y into k bar. Del cross V bar. Determinant. First row I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients of V bar. Y plus z, z plus x, x plus y. Expanding this I bar, deleting this row and column, dou by dou y of x plus y. Dou by dou y of x plus y minus dou by dou z of z plus x minus j bar, deleting this row and column, dou by dou x of x plus y minus dou by dou z of y plus z plus k bar, deleting this row and column, dou by dou x of z plus x minus dou by dou y of y plus z. This is equal to I bar x derivative 0, y derivative 1 minus z derivative 1, x derivative with respect to z 0 minus j bar x derivative 1, y derivative 0 minus y derivative 0 with respect to z, y constant, y derivative 0, z derivative 1 plus k bar x derivative 1 z derivative 0, here y derivative 1, z derivative 0. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 0, we get 0. So del cross V bar is equal to 0. So V bar is irrotational vector. V bar is irrotational vector. That is, V bar is irrotational fluid motion. In case of irrotational fluid motion, V bar can be expressed as gradient of velocity, potential phi, that is V bar is equal to del phi. Del phi is equal to V bar. Del phi definition: I bar dou phi by dou x plus J bar dou phi by dou y plus K bar dou phi by dou z is equal to V bar y plus z into I bar plus z plus x into J bar plus x plus y into K bar. Equating I bar coefficients, left side dou f by dou x, right side y plus z. Integrating partially with respect to x. Integral derivative cancel, phi is equal to integral y plus z dx. Partial integration with respect to x, y plus z constant. Y plus z into integral dx is x plus arbitrary function. With respect to x, we get f of y by yz. F of y comma z. Therefore, phi is equal to xy plus xz plus f of y comma z. This is 1. Equating J bar coefficients, left side dou phi by dou y, right side z plus x, integrating partially with respect to y. Dou y is there with respect to y. Dou x is there with respect to x. Integration of derivative cancel. Phi is equal to integral z plus x into dy. Z plus x constant. Integral dy is y plus arbitrary function with respect to y. So we get arbitrary function g of zx. Therefore, phi is equal to yz plus xy plus g of zx. This is 2. Equating K bar coefficients, left side dou phi by dou z, right side x plus y, integrating partially with respect to z. Integration of derivative cancel. Phi is equal to integral x plus y dz, x plus y constant, integral dz is z plus some arbitrary function h of xy. Here with respect to z we get h of xy, other variables. Therefore phi is equal to xz plus yz plus h of xy 3. From 1, 2, 3 we get phi is equal to, observe carefully, from 1 xy is there, from 2 xy is there, from 3 no xy. So here xy appears 2 times, write 1 time, plus here we get xz, in third one xz is there. So yz appears 2 times, plus yz, zx appears 2 times, write 1 time. This is the way of writing the scalar potential function phi, which is nothing but our velocity potential, which is the required velocity potential, which is the required velocity potential. This is a bit. B bit. Find divergence V bar, del dot V bar. How to get del dot V bar divergence? Dou by dou x of I bar coefficient of V bar, y plus z, plus dou by dou y of j bar coefficient, z plus x, plus dou by dou z of k bar coefficient of V bar. So x plus y. Partial derivative with respect to x, y plus y constant, z constant. Derivative 0 plus derivative 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Nothing but 0. Divergence V bar is equal to 0. Fluid motion V bar. Fluid motion V bar satisfies equation of continuity. Equation of continuity. So the motion possible for an incompressible fluid, problem 38. Show that the vector field given by capital A bar is equal to 3x square y I bar plus x cube minus 2y z square j bar plus 3z square minus 2y square z k bar is irrotational but not solenoidal. Also find phi of xyz such that del phi is equal to A bar. Solution: given A bar is equal to 3x square y I bar plus x cube minus 2y z square j bar plus 3z square minus 2y square z k bar. Del cross A bar determined first row I bar j bar k bar. Second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients of A bar. So 3x square y, x cube minus 2y z square, 3z square minus 2y square z. So expanding determinant I bar, deleting this row and column, dou by dou y of this, dou by dou y of 3z square minus 2y square z minus dou by dou z of x cube minus 2y z square minus j bar, deleting this row and column, dou by dou x of 3z square minus 2y square z minus dou by dou z of 3x square y plus k bar into, deleting this row and column, dou by dou x of x cube minus 2y z square minus dou by dou y of 3x square y is equal to I bar with respect to y constant derivative 0. Here we get 2 into 2 4yz minus 4yz. Here x cube derivative 0, minus into minus plus 4yz minus j bar with respect to x constant derivative 0, with respect to z constant derivative 0 plus k bar with respect to x cube derivative 3x square 2y z square derivative 0 with respect to y derivative 1 3x square 3x square into 1 3x square into 1. So this is nothing but cancel 0. Therefore A bar is irrotational vector. Del dot A bar, divergence A bar, dou by dou x of I bar coefficient of A bar 3x square y plus dou by dou y of j bar coefficient x cube minus 2y z square plus dou by dou z of k bar coefficient 3z square minus 2y square z, 2y square z. This is equal to, with respect to x, 3y constant, x square derivative 2x, with respect to y, x cube derivative 0, 2z square constant, y derivative 1, with respect to z, 3 into z square derivative 2z, here minus 2y square constant, z derivative 1. So 6xy minus 2z square plus 6z minus 2y square not equal to 0. Therefore A bar is not solenoidal vector in case of irrotational field, A bar can be expressed as gradient of scalar potential function phi, that is A bar is equal to del phi. Del phi is equal to A bar. I bar dou phi by dou x plus J bar dou phi by dou y plus K bar dou phi by dou z is equal to, right side A bar is 3x square y I bar plus x cube minus 2y z square J bar plus 3z square minus 2y square z K bar. Equating I bar coefficients on both sides, dou phi by dou x is equal to 3x square y. Integrating partially with respect to x, phi is equal to integral 3x square y dx, 3y constant, integral x square dx, 3y into x cube by 3 plus arbitrary function of f of y comma z, f of y comma z. 3 cancel, therefore phi is equal to x cube y plus f of y comma z. This is 1. Equating J bar coefficients on both sides, dou phi by dou y is equal to x cube minus 2y z square. Integrating partially with respect to y, derivative integration cancel, phi is equal to x cube minus 2y z square, integral x cube minus 2y z square dy is equal to x cube constant, integral dy is y, 2z square constant, integral y is y square by 2 plus constant, arbitrary constant g of x z, 2 cancel, phi is equal to x cube y minus y square z square plus g x z. Second one, equating k bar coefficients on both sides, dou phi by dou z is equal to 3z square minus 2y square z. Integrating partially with respect to z, derivative integration cancel, phi is equal to integral 3z square minus 2y square z dz is equal to 3 integral z square dz minus 2y square integral z dz, 3 z cube by 3 2y square into z square by 2 plus h of xy, 3 cancel, z cube 2 cancel, y square z square plus h of xy. Third one, from 1 comma 2 comma 3 we get phi is equal to, from 1 to 3 x cube y appears 2 times, you write 1 time, minus y square z square appears 2 times, you write 1 time, z cube appears 1 time, you write 1 time. This is the way of writing the phi, which is the required which is the required scalar potential function, scalar potential function, scalar potential function.